If you were truly in control of your attention, would you choose to spend it this way? We like to think we're the masters of our focus, but much of our behavior is automatic, shaped by ancient wiring. Our brains are built for efficiency, seeking easy rewards with minimal effort, a trait that once helped us survive. But in today's world of endless stimulation, this wiring is exploited. We're pulled between the desire for depth and the lure of instant gratification. The illusion of control comes when we mistake passive drifting for conscious choice. The first step isn't to fight this current, but to notice it. Recognizing how our instincts are manipulated is not defeat. It's the beginning of real awareness. The environment has changed. To thrive, we must adapt with conscious, deliberate effort. We live in an ecosystem of engineered distraction. Algorithms and interfaces designed to capture our attention. Every notification and endless scroll is a lure, exploiting our brain's craving for the next possible reward. This isn't a conspiracy. It's a business model where your focus is the currency. The result, our attention is splintered, our days consumed by minor impulses. We mistake constant activity for productivity and stimulation for fulfillment. The digital habitat rewards speed and reactivity, not depth or intention. We're like hummingbirds, flitting endlessly, never truly satisfied. There's a simple law. The value of a reward is tied to the effort you invest. Easy rewards bring fleeting pleasure. Hard-won ones bring lasting satisfaction. Our brains know the difference. Effort signals value. When we indulge in cheap dopamine, we train ourselves to avoid effort, weakening our capacity for deep fulfillment. The more we choose the easy path, the harder it becomes to pursue meaningful goals. This is the hidden cost of convenience. The effort isn't just the price of the reward, it is the reward. Every choice is a negotiation with this law. Internalizing the law of effort and reward changes how you see time. Time becomes something to cultivate, not just fill. The urge to distract fades, replaced by a desire for focused effort. At first, silence feels uncomfortable. Your brain craves stimulation. But by gently redirecting your attention, you retrain your mind. You start seeking activities that require effort, and your identity shifts from consumer to creator. The journey to any goal is made of small, focused steps, each one rewarding in itself. Time expands, and the future becomes a landscape of possibility. No hack replaces a fundamental shift in your relationship with effort. Adopt new principles. First, embrace productive boredom. Sit with discomfort. Let your mind generate its own ideas. Second, create before you consume. Start your day by producing something. Write, solve, plan before taking in information. This sets the tone and prioritizes accomplishment over consumption. Third, practice single tasking. Choose one task, remove distractions, and give it your full attention. Multitasking is a myth. Deep focus is what your brain is built for. These principles recalibrate your internal compass away from easy dopamine and toward meaningful effort. They're not rules, but ways of being. By living them, you rebuild your attention span and capacity for deep work. The reward is a renewed sense of control and satisfaction. Most people sense that distraction isn't serving them, but few choose to change. The path is clear, but comfort and easy rewards are powerful. Choosing focus is a quiet daily decision. No applause, just internal reward. You'll move at a different pace, guided by intention, not distraction. This isn't about superiority, but about inhabiting a different reality. The real question is, how will you invest your attention in the next hour? Treat it as your most valuable currency. Invest it wisely and see what happens.